Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaniece T. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe because there's more content coming. Today I'll be showing you how to bleach the knots on your closure or frontal. I start by spraying bedhead on the closure to keep the hair in place while I bleach the knots. You could also use Got To Be. Then I flip the wig inside out to expose the lace and pin it down to the mannequin. Now I'm mixing the Rapid Blue powder bleach and the 12% developer in my bowl to create a toothpaste-like consistency. I don't know how, but I got it perfect on the first try. As you can see, the mixture is very thick and not moving at all. So now I'm taking a little bit on my brush and I start applying the bleach from the back very softly. I start from the back because the back of the closure, the knots are very thick, and it's a way for me to practice how gentle I want to apply the bleach. As I go towards the front, I lighten my hand so the bleach don't bleed into the lace. After covering the lace, I cover it with a sheet of tin foil for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, I remove the tin foil and rinse off the bleach in the sink. I'm going to wash the lace with a purple shampoo. Now this is what the knots look like after rinsing the bleach off. I wash the lace 2 times with the purple shampoo. This is what the knots look like after washing the lace. You can see it's not as orange as it was before. After washing the lace, I wash the wig with cold water and I leave it in conditioner overnight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye!